Hello everyone, it's Karina. Welcome back to my channel. For this video I have a project share and these are all dies that were sent to me. The shop is called KLJUYP and that's the shop name on AliExpress. They also have an Amazon shop which is going to be under ZF Party. I will leave the link to both of those in the description box. I'll also leave the Instagram handle in the description box as well. They always have pictures of their new dies and samples, which is super helpful. In my previous video, I did share a unboxing of all of the dies. I will leave that video in the description box in case you guys wanted to see that video first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started onto the projects. So this first die, it's called Shadow Words and you get 6 different words. I'm using Carousel for all of these projects. So this one says Cotton Candy. I did 1 layer of pattern paper, second layer out of some foam, and then used this really pretty minty light blue cardstock for the final layer. And I think it turned out really pretty. I also did this one, but with pink. I made a little banner, stitched the top and bottom, and then added my word on top. And this one I did layer twice in some foam. So that's another way you can layer up your words. And I love this star pattern paper because it's not too busy, but you do get some design and it doesn't take away from the word. Another way that I layered these is by adding some crepe paper, and I did the little ruffling effect and then added my word and did some stitching across the word on some gold thread. And for all of my words, I did do a layer of foam in between the pattern paper and the cardstock to give it dimension, and I think these turned out really cute as well. Here's the pink version. So same thing, except I'm using pink crepe paper and pink cardstock. Here's some more samples of me using the pattern paper and making a banner out of it, or a flag, whatever you want to call it. And I think it adds the perfect layer. So that is the Shadow Words. This next die is called Carnival Directional Signs. This die is also super cute. So these are what the dies look like. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different words that are in the arrow, and you get the layering piece as well. This is such a cute and fun die. I did a layer of pattern paper, I added a layer of foam, and for the top I'm using this pink cardstock. I die cut this die a few times just so I can add different colors and different paper. So for the word on this one, I did use gold glitter paper. So I didn't add the foam layer on the word itself, and I think it looks pretty cool. I hope you guys can see that on camera, but that's that first one. This one says booth. For this one, I die cut out the base in some gold paper, added a layer of foam, and then used a pattern paper for the top layer. And I did cut the booth word in this light blue cardstock, just so it doesn't blend in too much with the pattern paper. This next one says games, and I did the first layer in gold, did a foam layer, and then this pattern paper. I thought it would look cute with the pink for the words, so I think that turned out really cute. This one says food, and I'm using blue cardstock for the base, and this really cute scalloped gold paper. I love how subtle this one is compared to the busy pattern paper, but they're both very cute. And for this one, I'm using this light pink paper, a layer of foam, and this really cute star pattern paper for the top, and then I die cut out the fun in some gold paper just to add some different colors. And here is the last one. It says rides. Next up, this die is called Fair Tents, and you get 3 different sizes of tents. You get the medium, the large, and the baby. This is what the die looks like, and this one's also a super cute die. So here is the large one. I love that you get different layering pieces for each item, so you don't have to run it so many times. And this one has all the layering pieces for it, so it's perfect and it saves time. So for the base, I use gold glitter paper, then this really fun pink and red striped paper. For the top here, I'm using gold paper, this really pretty pink cardstock for the top. I made this fun bow for this part of the tent, and I added a little heart gemmy. Here's the medium one. So I try to use different colors, like pink, this hot pink color, this minty blue, gold glitter for my embellishments. That way they don't turn out super crazy with all the different patterns. And I used a thinner piece of ribbon for my bow for this one, and these tiny little hearts for the center of the bow. And here's the small one. It's so cute. Look how tiny it is compared to the other ones. Super adorable. This die is called Fancy Layering Bows. You get 3 different bow designs. This is how they turn out. Look how pretty these are. I used 2 different shades of pink, which is kind of hard to tell on camera, but there's one that's a little darker that I used for the top layer. Aren't they just so cute? This die is also very pretty. This one I used different pattern paper from the paper collection, and then for the top I used gold glitter, and then for this one pink cardstock. This next die has to be one of my favorites. It's called Turkish Animals. I had the most fun playing with this one. So you get the elephant and the giraffe. So this is how the elephant one turns out. Super adorable. Look at the little tiny flag. It's just so cute. And here is the giraffe one. For these two, I did a layer of pattern paper for the pole, and then I die cut it out twice, one in this pattern paper and then another one in this gold paper for this part to add some layering. And then I wrapped the pole in some pink ribbon, the same that I used for this bow, and I think that turned out super cute. And for the top, I added these pom-poms. The next die I'll share is this really cute ticket booth. I made mine into shakers. Look how cute these turned out. So this is the words that come with the die set, but this ticket one is from the shadow words, and I think it looks really pretty as well. I added this bow on this side of the ticket booth, and then I did another one and added it at the top. I put some pink pearl on top of the sign, like so. Aren't these just so cute? This next die is called Fair Tent Mini Album, and I made mine as an embellishment, but I think I'm gonna make it into a card. I think that's gonna be super fun. But this is how mine turned out. I'm using this pink with the white polka dots as my baits. For this layer, I'm using light blue cardstock, and I did add this layer on some foam. I, of course, made these little bows for the curtains, and I added this heart-shaped pearl in the middle of the bow. So in the die, it does come with the base of the curtains and then this layering piece. And for this layering piece of the curtain, I did back it up on some pink cardstock. So you would have normally seen the gold glitter paper, but I did back it up with some pink cardstock and then cut it out. That way it doesn't blend in. I hope that makes sense, but I like the way it looked better with the pink instead of the gold glitter. And I did the same with this part of the curtain. And I added another bow with this light blue trim, and then this is a little heart trim that I just cut out the little heart and stuck it on the middle of my bow. This is a chipboard that I use for the flag instead of the one that you get with the die, and I thought that looked pretty cute, so I wanted to add that at the top. So the next die, this is called Popcorn Box, and it is meant to be a 3D box, but I made mine into a album cover I thought this would be fun to add all of the different movies that I've watched this year. This is how it turned out. I just love the pink and blue together. And this is the cute little popcorn layering pieces that come with the die. I made a little dangle over here with this pink tassel. So I'll be adding more pages to this. But isn't that just so darling? I definitely need to play with this die and make the box. I think it'd be fun to put all of my goodies in there once I package them up. I think that's going to be super, super cute. This next die is called Carnival Alphabets. And I'm so sorry I haven't been sharing the dies, but now that I remember, this is the alphabets, and then also comes with the numbers. And I only did the numbers, so I did cut these out twice. One in this hot pink color, which I used as the first layer, and then another time in this really pretty pink color that I've been using for most of my embellishments. And then I also cut little tiny pieces of black cardstock to fill in the little circles, just like that, as you can see. And I just think they turned out super, super adorable. And the last die that I'll share with you is called Ferris Wheel Mini Album. I think this die is just so adorable. So this is the sample that they have in the shop to make it into an album. So it has the background piece that you can cut out. But I didn't do the background part of the Ferris wheel. And then I'm using these what do you call these little bracket thingies, just so it can move the Ferris wheel around. It's just so cute. Isn't that such a fun die? It did take me a while to assemble this, but the end product just turns out super, super adorable. Like, how fun is that? And I love the interactiveness with it. And the little seats do move around as well. Alright you guys, so that is all of the projects that I've made so far. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone!